Outscal team will provide you with this link. So you just need to click this link to download the project files, as simple as that. I'm assuming you have already done the installations before making this video, okay? So please make sure that you have installed everything while watching the task 1 videos if you haven't. So yeah, like you just simply need to download these files. So this is a zip file given by the Outscal team. So you just need to download that. So my downloading has finished. So I will quickly show you how you can open this file. So under the downloads section, you will find this file as Outscal trial class. So I just downloaded twice. I'm just quickly deleting it. But yeah, you will be seeing the zip folder like this, Outscal trial class character selection. As simple as that. You just need to extract this file wherever you want. Suppose I'm just extracting. So suppose I just want to cut this and I'm pasting it in my local folder. And I'm just extracting here only. So just click on the extract here, then you will be having this folder. I hope you can see it, the character selection dash main. So if you are seeing this folder, that's it. Now you just need to open the Unity Hub. So this is how Unity Hub will look like again. So yeah, this is Unity Hub. So we have downloaded the zip file and we have extracted the files in our folder. Now we just need to add that project in our Unity Hub. So how to do that? Just simply click on the add. After that, just go to the particular folder where you have located the extracted files. So yeah, I'm just selecting character selection dash main. So this is the name of our folder. So you just need to select the folder and automatically Unity Hub will detect the version 2019.4.29 F1. You just need to click here and then Unity will start loading and importing that project. There will be a simple pop-up. Don't worry about this asset database version upgrade. You just need to click on the yes. As simple as that. Then Unity will import all the packages. You just need to wait. Yeah, that's about it. Hey guys, awesome. So our project is now totally imported in our Unity version. So this is how you will see when the project is loaded. So I will just quickly show you how to change the layout. So it is very important to change our layout as we are building up an entire project. It is very handy to set up our layout. So what you just need to do is you just need to click here. Like this is the default layout. So I have created a layout especially for this series named as my layout. So after clicking this, this entire Unity appearance will change. This is layout that is created by me. If you are already comfortable using some another layout, feel free to use your own. But yeah, if you are totally new to the Unity, I'm recommending just click here and just click on the my layout. So you will see exact same screen, exact same Unity that I'm explaining. So that's about it. Now we have entirely imported our project. What we need to do is this is the untitled scene. So I will end this video by just typing scenes. Okay, so I will just close it. So actually you can find the folder named as scenes here. Okay, so you just need to open that and you will find a scene named as game. This is something called as scene. So you just need to double click on that and you will find the environment is getting loaded. Okay, just double click on this complete level art UI to zoom in. And if you are looking this layout in a 2D mode, here you can shift to the 3D mode. Actually our game is 3D. So by clicking 2D, now this is the 2D view of the of our Unity. So you just need to click on the 2D. So again, that will get toggled between 3D and 2D. So if you are able to do, if you are able to see all the things just like this, and don't worry about all these, what are these panels and how to do it. But if you have done till now, then that's fine. Our project setup is already done. I will gonna explain step by step what things that we will be doing ahead. So that's it. Congratulations, our project has been set up properly.